Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and today I have a full review and demo of the Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. I promise it won't hurt.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
All right. How y'all doing today? Well, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be continuing my review on the Shea Moisture brand. Once again, if you do not know, I am a Shea ambassador for 2018, which I'm really excited about. You guys know I really do enjoy their products, and I also put up a review of the face wash and the face moisturizer, and I will leave that video down below as well as above for you guys to go and check that out. This was a part of the box as well, and I mentioned in that video that I would do a totally separate video about this because I really want to get into detail about this product. So this is the African Black Soul Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub with Tea Tree Oil. It deeply cleanses and exfoliates skin with a detoxifying cocktail of ingredients. This gentle body scrub buffs away dead skin cells while also helping to absorb excessive oil and impurities. African Black Soul blended with bamboo charcoal helps balance and draw out dirt from problem skin, while organic raw shea butter helps moisturize and soothe, leave skin cleansed, purified, and smooth. Okay, and pretty much you just want to use this on a damp skin. Gently massage it onto the body using circular motions, rinse, and you can use it about once to twice a week. I of course have already used this. I'm just gonna be real with you guys, I couldn't wait. So I already used it just in the shower, and I'm gonna demo and share with you guys how you use this so you guys can see what the texture is like and all of that, and then we're gonna talk about my full review on it, and I can really tell you guys how I felt because I used it a couple of times now. So you're supposed to use it on damp skin, and because I'm not in shower, we're just gonna go ahead. I'm going to dampen my arm here, and I'm going to demo it on my arm for you guys. Looks like this. And then I just dampened a spot on my arm, so you're just going to apply it to damp skin in circular motions like so. And I prefer to use this in the shower, but it's really moisturizing, and it has these little beads in it, if you guys can see, just these little tiny beads in there that exfoliate the skin pretty good. Really gentle exfoliator. I feel like this exfoliator can be used, it could be used every day, I feel, if you want to. And it's just a really like not too abrasive body scrub. Sometimes body scrubs can be a little bit too harsh, but this one is just really lightweight, and I like that a lot about it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off, and then we're gonna talk about it. My battery on my camera died, so I'm filming the rest of this from my phone. It is rinsed off. My skin is extremely smooth and moisturized. It's not stripped, it's not anything of that sort. It's nice, moisturized, and I feel like I can just go on about my day. Okay, once again, I am not shocked by this. I've been using this for some time now, for the last couple of days, just to get a gist of how I like to use it. I use this first, exfoliate, then I use the body wash on top, and my skin comes out so soft, so vibrant, so moisturized, and I really do love this product. I will have links down below, a link down below for this product, so you guys can go and check it out. I forgot what it retailed for. I think it's like $10.99. And this is also a 6 ounce, but a little bit of this stuff goes a long way. Okay, so yeah, once again, there's another Shea Moisture product, you guys, that I am over the moon with and in love with, and then never ever fails. Like, exfoliating the skin is very important. It not only helps with preventing ingrowns, but it helps to keep the skin looking vibrant and keeping away that dull, dry skin. And you know, you only have to exfoliate about once out the week, I would say. So I mean, this is a good way for you to get ink exfoliator. Thanks for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.